How to allow pop-ups in Microsoft Edge. So let's get started. First, what you need to do is open Microsoft Edge and then click on these three horizontal dots in the top right corner. Next step is click on Settings, and then you will find Cookies and Site Permissions. Click on it and scroll a little bit down until you find pop-ups and redirects. Here we can allow or block pop-ups. Also, we can block them or allow them individually if you click on Add. So this is how can you do it. I'm gonna show you one more time, real quick. So after you open Microsoft Edge, click on these three dots in the corner, then Settings, then you will find Cookies and Site Permissions. Scroll down until you find pop-ups, click on it, and just switch off or switch on. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you find it helpful, please leave a comment or hit the like button, and see you one click later. Bye bye.